All right, everybody. Good day, everybody. This is Mr. John from Flicker Brains. If you're new to this channel, please like and subscribe. You can follow us for more Google AdSense loading content. Or you can see today's date is 17, and you can see how many days we have left for this month to end. And our target this month is around $55,000. That's what our target this month is for this AdSense account. You understand? So if you're my student out there that be following me back to back on my channel, you can be seeing we normally post our result like 3 times in a week to show you guys that the method is still active and working. You understand? All right, let's enter the AdSense account. All right, guys, so you can look over here. You can see today so far we haven't done that much as usual. We just made $800, which is around roughly $1,000, but today so far we hit it so far. You can see yesterday we just made around $2,000. You can see that we are hitting it hard. We are hitting it hard. This method is not ordinary. You can see this month so far. You see what we have gotten so far this month. We have reached around $24,000 this month. You can see how we are growing so far, and with the amount of days left, it's very, very possible that we'll still reach our target, which is $55,000 this month. So when I tell you that this method is outstanding, it's really outstanding. You can see for the balance, you can see our last payment, you can see what we received last month. If you check this video, you see if you go to our channel, you go down, you can see that I showed my payment history for this last payment on the channel. You can go through the channel, you can go down, you see we normally show our payments received. So let's come over down to this our performance over here. As you can see, if you look at our performance, you see that we are getting good results and we are maintaining our CTR properly. Okay, so you can see over the page views, see the number of page views we have. You can see the number of CPC. Our CPC is high. You can see our clicks. You can see our impression. You can even look down. You see that our CTR is very, 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 very low. You understand? So this is a automation method. Let me refresh this. You understand? This is fully automation method. This method will give you good results. And for those that's looking for how to get full traffic, this method is going to give you the amount of traffic you need. It's fully automated. You understand, guys? Fully automated to give you the best result you want. So if you want to learn this method, guys, if you check out in the description box, you're going to see a link. That is a WhatsApp URL link. It's going to lead you to our WhatsApp page. You can contact us. You let us know your problem. If you want add partnership offers, we accept partnership offers. If you want loading offers, we accept loading offers. If you want to learn this method that we use to generate this amount of results, we also teach it. We even teach 2 different types of method. You understand? So it's no problem. If you can, everybody out there can get this result too. You understand? So for more details, click on the description box below. Have a nice day, everybody.